What if I told you you would stand center stage in the spotlight singing your heart out and be awarded with Tampa Bay's Best Actress in a Musical? What if I told you you would be voted Student Council President? You would play 5 different sports and play on championship teams. You would excel in your academics. You and your friends would be changing your community through service projects and volunteerism. And that you would be so happy. Dear self, I wish I could have told you all these things on your first day at Corbett Prep. Welcome to Corbett Prep.